In today's video, I'm going to teach you to close a Fidelity Go account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect, what to check before you start, and how to complete the closure smoothly. First, sign into your Fidelity account the way you normally do. Once you're in, take a moment to review your Fidelity Go account and confirm that the balance is truly at zero. That means there should be no remaining cash and no invested holdings left inside the account. If you still see money or investments, withdraw the cash to your linked bank or transfer it to another Fidelity account you plan to keep. If any investments are still showing, make sure they're fully sold and the proceeds have moved into cash before you continue. This step ensures there's nothing left to process when you close the account. Next, give any recent activity time to settle. Even after you sell an investment or move money out, it may show as pending or in progress for a short period. Waiting until everything settles avoids errors or delays during the closure. You'll know you're ready when your account shows a zero balance and no pending transactions. When the account is empty and clear, head to the Fidelity website's virtual assistant. You can usually find it at the bottom of the page or by opening the help or chat icon. In the assistant, type close account. The system will guide you with on-screen prompts. Expect to confirm your identity, select the specific Fidelity Go account you're closing, and acknowledge any final notices. Follow the instructions carefully and complete each prompt until you see confirmation that the request has been submitted. If, for any reason, the online process doesn't work for your situation, reach out to Fidelity support. You can use the website's contact options or call customer service for help finishing the closure. A representative can walk you through any account-specific requirements and make sure everything is wrapped up correctly. Once your Fidelity Go account is closed, you'll still be able to access your past statements and tax documents within your Fidelity profile. That means you can sign in later to view or download records you might need for your files or for tax time. That's the full process. Sign in, bring the balance to zero, wait for pending activity to settle, use the virtual assistant and type close account, follow the on-screen steps, and contact support if you need assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you close your Fidelity Go account with confidence.